Yet I have left me 7,000 in Israel, all the knees which have not bowed unto Baal, and every mouth which hath not kissed him. They represent the hidden holy remnant that God has in these last days. And He's had it in every generation. And now, as we come closer and closer to the end of the age, and its judgment fast approaches, and the storm roars down upon us, God has a holy remnant that are His, unbended, who have not kissed the image and the idols of silver and gold of this generation. No, God has always had a people, and He always will have a people. And the more wicked the age becomes, the more righteous they become. They want to minister to the Lord. They want to know Him. They're not looking for money. They're not trying to be a success. And I tell young preachers, shut yourself in with God. Get along with Him. Be a success with God. Be a success at the throne of God, and forget everything else. You're a successful man. You're a successful woman if you know God, and if you're seeking the Lord, praying for others, praying for those who have the power and the ability to go out in the streets. You may not have that. You may not be able to do that, but you're one of the 7,000. If you're going to survive in the days ahead with what is coming, you're going to be this 7,000 who do not bow. It's going to require an unchangeable commitment to cling to the Lord and swim against an evil tide. And that's what the remnant is going to live on. There is going to be a hope, and our hope is the coming of the Lord, the Bible says. Jesus at the door, and soon, very soon, with one trumpet blast, it's all over, folks. It's all over. One trumpet blast, and it's all over. And this is the mark of this holy remnant. They live with this blessed hope. I will evangelize. I will work for God. Even unknown, I will do the smallest thing. But I'm living with this hope that one day God's going to end all of this despair. He's going to end this wickedness and immorality. And the King of Kings is coming. He's going to set up His throne. There's going to be a new world and a new heaven. Glory be to God. And I want to be a part of it.
So